How's it going? Today I want to talk about this wire clothing rack. So this wire clothing rack has a couple different ways you can assemble it. I think this one is the most symmetric and the most functional for my personal use. You can see here we have a taller rack for your garments on either end. So if you like to hang your pants up this way with the clips, then you can have full length at the bottom. If you want to put your pants down here, it's going to be a little bit better to go ahead and fold them over the hanger like so. As far as assembling this, it's very straightforward. So the pieces are labeled extremely clear. For the rods, they're going to be labeled bottom. For the middle ones, you're going to be labeled middle. There's going to be two middle sections, and then you're going to have the top rods. These will twist into each other. And then for the shelves, which are going to be these wire shelves, you have these black plastic clips. Now the clips just squish together, and each of these lines are different places where you can actually put them. So if you want to have certain hangers or certain shelves a little bit higher or lower, you can configure this however you want. However, the instructions show this one being one of the options. You can see you got the label here right on the front of this rack. You can place your shoes here, your hats. You can put your shoes down at the bottom as well if that's somewhere where you like to place, different items. These are going to be stationary racks, so there's no wheels or casters on these. It's just going to be in place. However, it is super lightweight, so when all the clothes are removed, you can kind of easily carry it to a different room. This is going to be lower than your standard doorway, so you can easily get this in and out of different rooms without having any issue. There's 40 different pieces on here currently, and I feel like there's still room for more. So I could see myself putting maybe 100 pieces on here total to really max out the full hanger usage of this clothing rack. A big upgrade if you don't want to install like closet rods and things like that. You can have something that's much more functional and something you can take with you whenever you leave.